automobile industry, when I say, it gets into all types of process in an automobile company. Like say, it can be in the welding cell, the cleaning of the welding cell, or the robo arm, or the jigs and fixtures in the welding area, or the sealant which is dropped down on the floors. All these things are very good applications for dry ice blasting. The process basically calls for compressed air. Dry ice blasting calls for compressed air. Normally we operate at 6 bar pressure or 7 bar pressure with a minimum flow of about 150 to 200 CFM. Now when I was looking for different compressors available in the market, I found XA140E particular model was offering a flow of around 300 CFM at 7 bar pressure, and then we found without a receiver vessel we should be able to have little extra capacity than what is required. Maybe from 200 CFM, if you have 300 CFM, I'll have a continuous flow. So we decided to go in for this XA140E first time in 2008. We used the compressed air from this Atlas Copco for getting the dry compressed air, connected it to our machine, which is model SDF5 from Coljet, which is a patented machine. This machine makes use of the dry ice block, which is commonly available in India, and makes it into very fine particles, and that is mixed with the compressed air, dry compressed air which is coming from the compressor, and then blasted. It comes like a mist, and the dry ice, when it falls on the contaminant, it makes the contaminant very brittle, because the dry ice is at a very low temperature of minus 79 degrees centigrade. So it makes it brittle and then sublimes. When it sublimes, it creates a compression tension between the contaminant and the base metal, resulting in a peeling action. The advantage is you have service stations across India, so wherever our compressors are working, we can call up and we can get the service support from them. There is service support available all the time. XA140E is really a reliable compressor. Low maintenance cost, runs continuously. I saw this compressor first time in 2008, it worked, and it's something like a long relationship from then, so I don't want to discontinue.